Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to check backup on Snapchat. Snapchat is a platform where you can send and receive snaps from your families or your friends. So if you want to check backup on Snapchat, this is very simple. First of all, open your Snapchat application. Now, after Snapchat is opened, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that is at the top left corner. Now you will be led to this page. You can see your profile over here. At the top right, you can see gear icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you will be led to settings page. Scroll down and find my data. Now, after you find my data, tap on it. They will probably ask you to log back in. Now you will be led to this page. Here you can select many data that you can back up. You just have to toggle the button that is right next to it. This includes your memories, chat media and shared stories. You can also export JSON files, HTML files. This will include your user information, chat history, spotlight, shopping, support history, ranking and location, etc. Now all you have to do is tap on the next button that is at the corner. Now you will have to choose the date. You can back up from last week, last month or last year. Now tap on the submit button that is at the bottom. Now all your data will be backed up. So that's how you check backup on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.